Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how I take my photos by myself for my Instagram, and I'm going to show you tips on how you can do it too. So I'm here in Richmond, BC, which is a 35-minute drive from my house, and I come here specifically because I'm not at the level yet where I'm comfortable taking photos by myself in public with people watching. I even get sketched out when I come here, and I always think that someone's going to come to the top of the rooftop here, which no one will ever come. I highly doubt that. I do think that there are some cameras in this parking lot, so I kind of get self-conscious if like security guards are watching me, but no one has ever like come up here, no one has ever said anything, so fingers crossed people don't come here, and or else I'm gonna be really awkward. So that's my first tip. If you're super nervous and shy about taking photos in public, let alone by yourself, find a secluded area for you to take photos in. So this is the parking lot. It's super huge and there's no one here. So today I'm gonna walk you through how exactly I do this, and I'm gonna give you tips on how you can do it too. As I was driving here, and there's so many airplanes that fly above too, it's so annoying. Why? Okay, so first things first, you want to get a tripod, and I think I got this for like $20 on Amazon, something like that, and it comes with a Bluetooth clicker. Here, let me show you. These tripods, I think all tripods should come with a clicker. Double check if it does, it should always have one, or you don't actually need to have this, but this is really helpful. Another plane is coming, hold on. So it comes with this remote, and all you have to do is turn on the remote and then hook it up to your Bluetooth on your phone, and so when you press the button over here, it will take the photo for you. So I'm just going to show you really quickly how to set that up. So this tripod can actually go higher and lower. Wait, is this highest? Oh yeah, this is the highest, so it's pretty high. For my photos, I like to have my phone a little bit lower so that it gives like a lower angle. Then I'll like tilt the phone up a little bit, like back that way, so from the side view it's like kind of on an angle. This just makes you appear a little bit taller and a little bit thicker. I was accidentally covering the audio at this part, so I'm just going to do a voiceover. So basically what you want to do is you want to go into your settings and then click the Bluetooth and hook up your Bluetooth clicker to your phone, and make sure that the switch is turned on your Bluetooth clicker before you attempt to do this. And now I'm just gonna click to connect. Okay, now it's connected, so let's just go to my camera. Now it's connected, so when I click, it'll take a photo. One thing you want to note is that when you use the selfie camera over here, oh my god, a car just pulled up, so it's gonna be pretty awkward. When you use the selfie camera over here, it's really low quality, so I actually have to use the back camera over here, and I have to like run and look at the camera and then review the photos and then go back. It's actually kind of annoying, but you can't really use the selfie camera because it's not as high quality. Now I'm going to show you guys how I take my photos. You just screw this little thing on here, and then the Bluetooth thing clickers on the bottom. After you have found the position of where you want to place your camera, all you have to do is stand in front of the camera and start posing. You want to try to hide the clicker in your photo so that it is not visible. So once you start posing, just click the button and the photo will be taken. Like I said, you shouldn't be using the selfie camera because it is not as high quality. So I suggest taking a few photos and then reviewing some of the photos to make sure that you're in the frame and in the position that where you want to be in the photo. So now that I've taken a few photos, I have to always come around and check my camera roll to see if I have any good shots. And the lady finally left, so I won't be as awkward. So now I'm just shooting in a slightly different place and a slightly different angle. I also have the camera a little bit lower so I appear taller. You definitely want to take a few photos in different locations when you're shooting by yourself, because you want to have a variety of photos to choose from. So that's one way of taking your photos by yourself. The other way is to take a video of yourself posing and then screenshot the video. But obviously when you do a screenshot of videos, it's not as high quality. It's good for Instagram if the lighting is perfect, but you're kind of taking a risk because sometimes when you screenshot a photo, it's not as high quality, and sometimes you might be in movement. So I'll show you really quickly how I do it if I'm going to take a video and screenshot. So when you are taking videos, you want to be holding the poses for at least 3 seconds, just because when you're screenshotting, you don't want to be in motion. The advantage of taking a video would be that so you don't need to use the clicker. So if you're doing a pose and you want to show your hands in it, for example, that is one of the reasons why you would want to use the video way of taking a photo for Instagram. So I'm just going to turn this off and put this away. So same thing, I'm gonna choose my spot. All you have to do is click record and stand in front of the camera and start posing. Okay, so here's a little video that I took just now. And let's say I want that shot, so I'm just going to, oh, that's pretty cool actually. I'm just gonna screenshot like that. So there's my screenshot. It's actually really high quality because the lighting here is really great. Okay, so that was basically it. So yeah, lighting is really key. Choose a place that is kind of secluded so that you feel comfortable doing this by yourself. I guess I forgot to mention, like, plan ahead, plan your outfits ahead, plan the location ahead so that you're not frazzled by the time you get here, because this is a pretty nerve-wracking thing, and you know, practice makes perfect. The first time I started taking photos, I was really nervous, even though I knew no one was going to be on this rooftop, but it's still nerve-wracking to me, but it was really fun, and it's actually something that I like to do because it gets me out of my comfort zone, and I really like to do that. And I hope you guys are inspired to take your own photos. I think that it's a really fun thing, and that it's also really challenging, and I think that you should definitely give it a try. If you guys have any comments or questions, please leave it in the comments below. If you want to see more Instagram tips or business tips, be sure to check out the other videos on my channel, or you can follow me on Instagram at HeyNicoleWong, where I post Instagram tips on my captions and on my stories. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and click subscribe. Click the notification bell so that you're notified when the next video comes out. And there's a freaking airplane coming by.